to adjust my antenna to 40 meters, and you can see here is the line 40 meters. So we want the total length to be 62.7. So I've got my pipe here. Total length is currently 58. So I'm just going to drag that out a little bit. There we go, now at 62.7 roughly. That's why this fishing sticker on the side of the pipe is just fantastic. You just line it up with the bump there, and you can measure it up there. So I'll do up this Allen key here at 62.7 like it says. So the other thing I need to do is to put into jumper number 2. So I've got 1 and then 2. So I'll just change this jumper here to jumper number 2. And now all I've got to do is install it. I can hear the radio in the background. I'm receiving a lot of stuff without the antenna. They must be close. So I'm currently down at Lake's Entrance, beautiful part of Victoria, good fishing. Got some fishing videos on my other YouTube channel if you're interested. I'll put a link in the description of what we've been up to here. But this is my portable setup. There's the antenna there on the car. And over here's the caravan. And here's the radio going here. So that's my automatic antenna tuner with the cord that I made. I've got a good video on how I made that if you want to see that. And here's my IC-706, and doing a good job by the look of it.
Beautiful copy there, Peter, coming in to summarise your signal. Neil again, DJ3KL, good morning again there, Neil. Yeah, good morning, Ron, and good morning to everybody there.
I'll just turn that down a bit. One of the things I do like about this radio is on the menu G1, you get a band scope, so we can sweep the band. And we can see there's a couple of other conversations perhaps there. Oh, there's nothing there now. There we go. A couple out here. And one in the big middle there. It's on and off. So if you look there carefully, you can see the white dot. That's where we are. You can see me scrolling across. So there was something here. Not reduce interference. There we go, that one is interference, that one. Oops. There we go. We may not have found that without that band scope. Hopefully if you enjoyed seeing my portable setup, don't forget to look at my radio blog as well. There's heaps of more info there. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.